If you're a parent or planning on becoming a parent, you most likely realize that raising kids can take a toll on your bank account. Unless you're already wealthy and have enough income to take on additional expenses, you have to make adjustments to your lifestyle and plan how to stretch your income to not only care for your family today, but to plan for your kids' college and your own retirement. Welcome to Gray Skies Media. We are here to help you invest in your future. Please, do us a favor and hit those like and subscribe buttons for more content like this. In this video, we're going to highlight 10 tips to help you take on the added expenses of raising a family without going broke. By taking advantage of opportunities we highlight, we can spend less in our family lives without compromising in the areas that matter to us most. Tip number 1. Negotiate with your service providers. When was the last time you checked your internet, cable, or phone bill? There are undoubtedly more affordable solutions out there if you haven't signed up for service in a while. Ask your cell phone provider if they have any discounts. You might receive a better rate. You could also save money by switching providers. If you still have a landline, consider cutting it. Consider whether you're getting the most out of the features you've paid for. Is it necessary to pay for cable TV if you have multiple streaming subscriptions? Is the fastest internet speed required for your family, or will something a little slower and less expensive suffice? Review your cell phone statement to see how much data you actually use, if you're paying for unlimited data. If you can, switch to a lower cost plan that limits your data usage. Tip number 2. Be bold. Ask for specific gifts. Similar to a wedding or baby shower registry, for birthdays and holidays, request specific gifts for your kids, and it doesn't have to be toys. You can even ask family members for gifts such as zoo, aquarium, and children's museum memberships, which provides year-long activities. You can even ask for money to offset class and sports registration fees. For birthday parties, list specific items in the invitation. People appreciate gift-giving guidance on gifting. Many of them have no idea what to buy, and they love knowing that their gift will be appreciated and used instead of collecting dust in a corner. Tip number 3. Make your own cleaning supplies. Yes, you'll probably need some bleach, but by making most of your other cleaning supplies, making your own is way cheaper and actually better for the environment. There are plenty of online recipes out there for all sorts of purposes. In addition, stop using paper towels. Using paper towels is like throwing away money. Not only does it generate more waste, but using paper towels will cost you more money than using cloth towels. This helps you save the environment while also keeping your spending under control. Tip number 4. Start thrift shopping. There's already a lot of stuff out there, so it's not always necessary to buy new. To save money on clothes and shoes for kids, it makes sense to buy them used. Why pay full price for a pair of expensive sneakers if your 3-year-old is likely to outgrow them before the second wear? Thrift shopping goes beyond clothing and shoes. It's easy to find good books, kitchen tools, toys, furnitures, and tools for less money. You can try online shopping if you're looking for something specific and don't want to spend hours digging through local thrift stores or consignment shops. For example, eBay is a good place to buy almost anything. Also, the things your family doesn't want can bring in extra cash. For example, when your kids outgrow their clothes, take them to a consignment store or have a yard sale to sell clothes and other things you no longer need. You can find parents who want to sell, trade, or give away their used kids' stuff through local parenting Facebook pages or neighborhood groups. Tip number 5. Eliminate the babysitter. Yes, you probably still need a sitter from time to time, but rather than hire one, find or form a parent group and trade babysitting services. Take turns watching each other's kids so you can eliminate babysitter costs. Tip number 6. Create a weekly meal plan. You'll spend less each week on your grocery bill, when you take some time each week to go through online coupons and store circulars and see if any of the things you usually buy are on sale. Make your plan and stick to it, and avoid purchasing unnecessary items while at the store. Eliminate pre-sliced items. Your pre-cut meat, cheese, and fruits are most likely more expensive than if you bought them whole and cut them yourself. When comparing pricing at the grocery store, pre-cut products are 2 to 3 times more expensive. Tip number 7. Use your local library. Libraries are a great place to go for more than just books. Take your kids to the library every week instead of buying them books and movies. They can get books, DVDs, and CDs to enjoy without having to pay anything. A lot of libraries also have free events and services. Check to see if yours has a story time or other free fun things to do after school, like craft classes or help with homework. Tip number 8. Right size. Okay, this is a dramatic one, but it also will have the biggest impact on reducing your expenses. The standard recommendation is to spend no more than 30% of your gross income on housing each month. But many people are putting more than 50% of their income toward housing. One is to right size. When you right size, you get a home that works for your family, but is likely smaller and cheaper than the one you live in now. Another way to right size is to reconsider your transportation. If you want to cut costs, cut out one or more vehicles. If you're in a walkable area or an area that's well served by public transportation, you can easily become a one-car or even no-car household. You'll save on gas, parking costs, insurance, and maintenance costs. So ask yourself if you can live without a car. Tip number 9. Free entertainment. It can be surprising how many free or low-cost entertainment options are available. Many museums, zoos, aquariums offer free days or family days with special presentations and activities for the kids. You could spend the day with your family playing ball or frisbee at the local park. You can hike on nature trails or pack a picnic basket and kick back on the grass. Keep up with your local community calendar. Summer is a great time to enjoy art walks, farmers markets, and free concerts. Holidays are great for family events. Easter egg hunts, Christmas tree lightings, ice skating, and seasonal and fun events for the family to enjoy. Many city parks offer free outdoor movie screenings during the summer months. Just pack some chairs, a blanket, snacks, and enjoy a free movie under the stars. Tip number 10. Look for cashback opportunities. If you're buying your items, and hopefully paying the balance off each month, find a credit card that pays you the most amount of cashback points. Also, if you shop online, Rakuten offers cashback through many retailers. The cashback opportunities is especially high around the holidays. As a bonus tip, in addition to looking for ways to reduce expenses, there are also ways to increase your income. Maybe you plan on maintaining your current job, or maybe one parent is going to quit their job to stay home and care for the kids. You can still look at other income options to supplement. Consider a side hustle such as a home pet sitting, getting paid to wrap your car, taking surveys to earn cash or gift cards. Other options are reselling thrift items. You could even start a blog. Do some research and find a side hustle that works for your schedule. And as an added bonus, if your kids are older, include them in the process. The gift of financial literacy is one of the best gifts you can give your children. Saving money doesn't just mean you end up with more in your checking account and savings account. It also gives you a chance to teach your kids valuable personal finance lessons. Set up family meetings to make a budget for family spending. Use the time to talk about earning, spending, saving, credit cards, and debt. Teach your children that saving today pays for college tomorrow. You can also work with your kids to help them make a personal budget and set savings goals. What do you think about our video? Please let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Click on that bell icon so you never miss an upload. See you in the next one.